A new buyer's guide, good news for dentists, and tips for Class 2s. Hi, I'm Allie Cook for the Dental News Network. Today is January 2nd, 2013. Happy New Year. This is your Wednesday Watch. Here is today's dental news brought to you by Dentsply Caulk. The American Cancer Society purports that heavy coffee drinkers may reduce risk of dying from mouth and throat cancer by half, but a dentist has spoken out against this claim. Dr. Martin Hogan of the Loyola University Health System says he does not recommend that his patients drink coffee and says that although the study suggests benefits, he would like to see more research to prove the correlation. And here is some good news to start off your year. Dentists were ranked number 5 for their honesty and ethical standards in a year-end Gallup poll. 62% of respondents to the poll ranked their dentists as very high or high in this category. And dentists are in good company at the top of the chart. They are joined by physicians, pharmacists, and nurses. Coming up, innovative products, but first, here is a message from our sponsor.
When performing a Class 2 restoration, the unique combination of two notable products from Dentsply Caulk gives you a significant degree of control over the results. Paladin Plus, with its cutting-edge design based on tried-and-true technology from the original Paladin system, and SureFill SDR Flow, a new generation of bulk fill flowables, and one of the most successful product launches in Dentsply Caulk's history.
This week, we're going to focus on products that can help alleviate stress during Class 2 procedures. But first, an announcement. The Dentistry Today Equipment Buyer's Guide is hot off the press. Do you have your copy yet? Be sure to get a look at some of this year's top equipment in categories such as amalgamators, curing lights, digital radiography, hand pieces, loupes, and many more. You won't want to miss it. And now, on to Class 2 procedures. Here's Nikki Sparacino of Dentsply Caulk, who will walk you through the procedure with Paladin Plus, Prime and Bond, SureFill XDR Flow, and the Enhanced Finishing System.
Hi, I'm going to talk to you today about the Class 2 procedure and how Dentsply Caulk can help alleviate some of the stress associated with that procedure by offering you a complete solution of products that were specifically designed to work together. So the first product I want to talk to you about today is Paladin Plus, and this is a new sectional matrix system that we've launched, and it is designed to improve contact creation and provide you with accurate contact creation in your Class 2 restorations. It's comprised of a number of components, including a wedge guard, a wedge, matrix bands, and the sectional matrix band or ring itself. And what it's going to do is it's going to improve your contact creation. It's also going to minimize the amount of flash that you experience by sometimes not getting a really tight seal between the band and the tooth. So it's going to minimize the amount of flash and finishing that you have to do after curing the composite. The second product is Prime and Bond Elect, which is our new universal bonding agent. And this product can be used in a total etch, a self-etch, or selective etch mode. And what that's going to do is the number 2 concern that doctors have with Class 2 restorations is post-op sensitivity. And so Prime and Bond Elect is really going to help alleviate some of those concerns and some of those issues that may arise. The third product is SureFill SDR Flow, and this is the number 1 bulk fill flowable composite on the market. And this is really going to take the stress out of your Class 2 procedures because it's designed specifically for the Class 2 restoration and posterior composites. It's a bulk fill material with self-leveling handling, so it's going to really reduce the amount of time required to place Class 2 restorations. It has a self-leveling handling, so it's going to provide excellent cavity adaptation with minimal to no instrumentation required. After using SureFill SDR Flow, you can then top the restoration with TPH3, which is our universal composite. And TPH3 has a wonderful chameleon ability to it, which allows it to blend in seamlessly to the surrounding tooth structure. So the end result is a seamless restoration for yourself. And then finally, you would use Enhanced Finishing System on top of that. And this is a finisher that allows you to control how aggressive you want to be in terms of removal rate for the composite restoration when you're finishing, and it's going to provide a really smooth matte surface when you're finished. To learn more about the Class 2 procedure in Dentsply Caulk, you can visit class2restorations.com, and that's the number 2 to learn more about this procedure.
Thanks, Nikki, and thank you for checking out the Wednesday Watch. We'll see you next week with more from Dentistry Today and DNN.